Hi guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for EFootball PES 2021 season update on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. Sorry about the glare from my light. I picked this up today mainly because it was £25. But also I'm desperate to play some football from at least this year. So well, at least until FIFA comes out. Oh my god, that's contentious. But yeah, so on the front you've got Alphonso Davies, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo and Chris Smalling. So I'm pretty sure they said there would be an update for the Xbox Series X as well, so that it would be compatible. So they'd do a high def update thing, like kind of like FIFA, where if you buy it on the Xbox One you get the Series X version, so yeah. But we can hope. So anyway, there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back. The pitch is ours, and it says all that there. Also includes Euro 2020, so. And then there's some officially licensed teams, and some leagues, and the Euros, and it's 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and all that jizz. Yeah, I don't know what the install size is, but you also get My Club content. So 2,000 My Club coins, premium agent, free players for 10 weeks, and free player contracts for 10 weeks. So inside you have the code, which will be used by the time this goes up, and the disc. I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of eFootball PES 2021 season update, guys, for the Xbox One. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.